There's nothing like a pop of bold color to elevate your look, but when that color lasts all day long, you're talking about a true beauty game changer. Meet the Dior Christian Rouge Forever Liquid Matte Lipstick in 741 Forever Star. This isn't just any lipstick. It promises a radiant long-wear finish with a weightless texture that claims to keep your lips looking flawless for hours. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. First, let's talk about the essentials. This lipstick comes in a sleek 0.2 ounce bottle, making it easy to apply on the go, and the 741 Forever Star shade is a stunning, intense red with a subtle yet sophisticated depth. It's a shade that catches the light just right, perfect for both day-to-night looks. Now the real question, how does it perform when it's on your lips? The texture is incredibly lightweight. It almost feels like you're not wearing anything at all, which is a dream for anyone who hates the heaviness that some long-lasting formulas can leave behind. It glides on smoothly, and the color payoff is immediate, no need for multiple layers. What you see in the tube is exactly what you get on your lips. I found the wear to be impressive, especially for a matte finish. It lasted through my coffee break, a full lunch, and even a few sips of water without needing a touch-up. But of course, no lipstick is perfect. While it's certainly long-lasting, I did notice that my lips felt a bit dry by the end of the day. This isn't unusual for matte formulas, especially those designed for extended wear, but it's something to keep in mind if you have naturally dry lips. The standout feature of this lipstick, though, is how it leaves your lips feeling. Dior claims that it helps improve the overall quality of your lips, and while I can't speak to long-term benefits just yet, I did notice my lips felt softer after wearing it. That's a nice bonus for a matte lipstick, which can sometimes leave your lips feeling tight or dehydrated. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: long-lasting, vibrant color, weightless feel that doesn't feel heavy, elegant, easy-to-use packaging, provides noticeable softness to lips, great for day-to-night wear. Cons: slightly drying for those with naturally dry lips. Matte finish may not be ideal for those who prefer a more hydrated look. As for value for money, Dior's Rouge Forever Liquid Matte is definitely on the pricier side compared to other liquid lipsticks. But you're paying for the brand's reputation and the performance. It delivers what it promises in terms of color and longevity. So if you're someone who values a product that stays put all day, it might be worth the splurge. In comparison to similar high-end matte liquid lipsticks, Dior does stand out in terms of softness and the smoothness of application. If you're comparing it to budget-friendly options, while it might be a bit pricier, the formula's wear time and color payoff set it apart. The packaging is sleek and elegant, but as with many high-end beauty products, it's also quite sturdy, ensuring the product will last through daily use without breaking or leaking. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're on a budget but love the look of a long-wear matte lipstick, there are plenty of options, such as Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink or the NYX Liquid Suede. While they may not provide the same level of comfort or lip treatment benefits, they do offer great performance at a lower price point. So to wrap it all up, does the Dior Christian Rouge Forever Liquid Matte Lipstick live up to its claims? Absolutely. If you're looking for a high-performance lipstick that offers a stunning matte finish, long-lasting color, and a weightless feel, this one's a winner. It's perfect for those who want to feel confident that their lipstick will stay put through whatever the day throws at them. Just be mindful of the slightly drying effect if you have dry lips. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more honest, in-depth beauty reviews. And if you've tried this lipstick or have any other favorite long-wear matte formulas, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.